thunderstorm warning for East Central Ogle County in North Central Illinois, Northern DeKalb County in North Central Illinois, Northern Kane County in Northeastern Illinois, Southern McHenry County in Northeastern Illinois, Southern Boone County in North Central Illinois, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kirkland, or 10 miles southeast of Rockford Airport, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, Crystal Lake, Carpentersville, Algonquin, Lake, Indiana the Hills, Hunley, Sycamore, Genoa, South Elgin, Cary, Pingree Grove, Gilberts, West Dundee, Hampshire, Fox River Grove, Barrington Hills, Sleepy Hollow, East Dundee, Kirkland, Kingston, Burlington, Trout Valley, Monroe Center, and Fairdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.